Have you ever wondered about the mesmerizing history and life of the people in the roof of the world, Ladakh? Nestled between the mighty Himalayas and the Kunlun mountain range, Ladakh is a region of striking landscapes, crystal-clear lakes, and towering peaks. Its geographical location has made it a crossroad of numerous cultures. Ladakh's early history is a fascinating blend of Tibetan and Indo-Aryan influences. Evidence of this cultural amalgamation can be traced back to ancient rock carvings and inscriptions. As we delve deeper into its past, the 9th century marks a significant period with the establishment of the Ladakh dynasty. This era saw the region flourish under the reign of dynamic kings who left an indelible mark on its landscape and culture. The turning point in Ladakh's spiritual life came with the advent of Buddhism, which transformed its societal fabric. Monasteries mushroomed, acting as centers of learning and spirituality. So the story of Ladakh started as a melting pot of various cultures, which shaped its unique identity and history. Fast forward to the modern era, Ladakh's journey has been equally intriguing and tumultuous. In the mid-19th century, Ladakh was annexed by the Dogra of Jammu, marking a significant shift in the region's history. The Dogra rule was a period of considerable change, bringing Ladakh under the larger ambit of the princely state of Jammu and Kashmir. This integration set the stage for the events that would unfold in the 20th century. Ladakh's strategic location has always made it a point of contention. Nestled between the towering Himalayas and Karakoram ranges, it has been at the heart of numerous conflicts and wars. The most notable among these were the Indo-Pakistani Wars of 1947 and 1965 and the Indo-Chinese War of 1962. These conflicts have shaped Ladakh's modern history, influencing its geopolitical dynamics and the lives of its people. In 2019, a significant development took place. Ladakh was declared a Union Territory of India, a move aimed at giving the region more autonomy and control over its affairs. This change has brought with it both challenges and opportunities, shaping the region's present and future. The socio-economic development in Ladakh has seen an upward trend, particularly with the rise of tourism. The breathtaking landscapes, rich cultural heritage, and warm hospitality have drawn tourists from around the world. This has not only boosted the local economy, but also brought Ladakh into the global spotlight. However, the influx of tourists has also raised concerns about the environment and the preservation of local culture. The region's fragile ecosystem, already grappling with climate change, is under increased pressure. There's an ongoing debate about striking a balance between development and conservation, a challenge that Ladakh continues to grapple with. One such voice raising these concerns is Sonam Wangchuk, a local innovator and education reformist. His protests have highlighted the need for sustainable development and the importance of preserving Ladakh's unique cultural identity. Despite the challenges, Ladakh has always shown resilience and a desire to forge its own path. But what about Ladakh today? What are the challenges and opportunities it faces? Nestled in the northernmost part of India, Ladakh, the land of high passes, is being confronted by a myriad of modern-day issues. Its pristine environment is under threat from climate change and increased tourism. The melting glaciers are a chilling testament to the harsh reality of global warming. The region's delicate ecosystem is under pressure, and there's a dire need for sustainable development. But it's not all doom and gloom. Enter Sonam Wangchuk, the innovative mind behind the ice stupas, an ingenious solution to the water crisis in the arid region. He's not just an engineer, but a social reformer, an educator, and a beacon of hope for Ladakh. His protest against the unsustainable practices in the region has been a wake-up call, highlighting the urgency to address environmental concerns. Sonam's efforts go beyond environmental activism. He's a staunch advocate for education reform, recognizing it as the cornerstone of sustainable development. His students' educational and cultural movement of Ladakh, or Sekmol, is a testament to his vision. It's a pioneering initiative that is transforming Ladakh's educational landscape, cultivating a new generation of innovators and problem solvers. Innovation is the key to addressing Ladakh's challenges. From harnessing solar energy to developing sustainable tourism models, the people of Ladakh are leveraging their unique resources and geographical advantages. The region might be remote, but it's not isolated from the global discourse on sustainable development. So while the challenges are significant, so too are the opportunities. There's a growing awareness and commitment to preserving the unique culture and environment of Ladakh. The people of this ruggedly beautiful region are resilient, resourceful, and ready to tackle their challenges head-on. Ladakh, a land of stark beauty and resilient people, continues to redefine its future, learning from its past and embracing the opportunities of the present. As we delve deeper into the 21st century, Ladakh, with its rich history and vibrant culture, stands at the crossroads of change, ready to carve out a sustainable and prosperous future.